Hey guys, welcome back to So Much Vlogs in USA. So let's try to see what's the new update in CGI portal. And most of you already know the portal has been changed. And if you're already in the process of scheduling the visa, or if you're already given the visa interview and waiting for the passport, or if you already paid the fees and waiting to schedule the interview, then definitely you will try to see the change in the portal, and you won't be able to log in your existing portal with existing credentials, and you'll be panic why your credentials are not working. So the main reason of the credentials are not working because the portal has been changed. So the portal dot ustravels.com, so this particular portal has been changed. Previously this was powered by CGI portal, and the new portal which is powered by the Microsoft. So let's get into the new portal and see what changes they have made. So before going to the changes, let's log in into our old portal and see what the error we'll be seeing when we try to log in. So when we try to log in, so we'll be able to give our credentials, and we'll be able to log in here, and this is what we will see. So although we give the credentials and the correct password and we acknowledge the privacy policy, but still the page is redirecting to the same page. So don't get panic here, and no need to call to any customer care service and asking for why your credentials are not working, because on July 29th, the portal has been updated to the new portal, new
This
CGI
is a
portal.
new CGA portal. This is how the UI looks, and I'll drop the link in the description for the portal. We need to create the username and password here. To start the process, we need to click on sign up now.
So let's click on the sign up. So once you click on the sign up, you'll be seeing this UI. So we need to give here username, and we can use the same password which we already used for the old CGA portal. You can use the same password, and the main thing what we have to use here is your old email ID. With your old email ID itself, all the data will be transferred from your old CGI portal to the new CGI portal. How it is working? Once you give the new email ID with your existing email ID which you used for the CGI portal. So once you give that, so they will send a code to your existing email ID. So with the help of that code, so they are authenticating it's you who is creating the new profile. Then give your full name, surname, and all the security questions, and then you can create the profile. So let's say here I have given my username and password and verification email ID. I have given the verification email ID here. So you can type at the rate gmail.com. Then once you give the email ID here, click on the send verification code. So once you click on the send verification code, your email ID, you will be seeing the code like this. You will be seeing the code here. So when you see the code, just to copy that code and give it here. So once you give the code here, then verify the account. So once you click on the verify account, if the code is matching, then it will say the code has been matched. Then give your given name, surname, and answer your security questions. You have 3 security questions, and definitely remember the security questions. These security questions are very important. Like whenever you log into the portal, next time, like whenever once you create the portal here, next time whenever you're trying to log into the portal, it will ask you the security answers for sure. Each time, just make sure whether you're giving the lowercase or uppercase, everything matters in the security question. Then click on the create. So once you click on the create, immediately you'll be again seeing this. You'll be seeing the sign. Once you create on the create, once you click on the create, you'll be seeing this page. Then you can give the username whatever you created and the password and captcha text, and click on the sign in. So once you click on the sign, so you'll be seeing this particular privacy policy. So once you go see the privacy policy, the warning, read all this thing and acknowledge. Just click I have read and understood the system and system use and privacy policy. So once we continue, then we'll be able to directly log in because we already gave the credentials and we acknowledge the privacy policy, and then then we'll be able to directly see this particular screen. So this is the screen what we are seeing currently after logging in, right? So then you'll be seeing the close application, start new application, and appointment confirmation, manage appointments, reschedule appointment, emergency request, manage applications, feedback request messages. All this options left side, whatever you are seeing. So we used to see the same credentials, or we used to see the same options in the old CGI portal. So everything moved to here. So if you wanted to reschedule, we can click on the reschedule, and if you wanted to click with the new appointment, or if we need the appointment confirmation, we can click on appointment confirmation, and we'll be able to get the appointment confirmation over the email. So if you wanted to reschedule, then directly we can reschedule. And so if you check here, the visa information, the location will be there, and visa fees, and the group member same. So here, totally it is replicating the old CJ portal. But what we need to understand here, right? So let's say we currently already scheduled the interview, right? So let's say we haven't scheduled any interview. Then directly you can start with the new with appointment schedule. And if you wanted to reschedule, then directly we can click on the reschedule. So these are the main changes in the new portal. So it's very simple and easy. All the information are directly moved from the old CJ portal to the new portal. But what I have observed in the new portal, so in these credentials we are seeing everything is perfect and everything is good. But now for some people, they are already mentioning that they are not able to see all these options here. Some people they are able to see only two options, and some people they are not even seeing the reschedule options, and some people they are not even able to schedule the appointment. Let's try to see how those screens looks like. Maybe this is the new portal, so we are facing this kind of issues. But I just wanted to show you what errors I observed here. If you check in this login credentials, you are not able to you are able to see the schedule appointment, and this person haven't scheduled any interview as of now, but still it says visa information New Delhi. This person haven't scheduled anything, and the fee payment also was not showing here. He already paid the he and she they already paid the fees, but they don't see the fees here. So that means the data is not transferred fully. So for this issue, we have to contact to the customer care service, and we need to ask them why our payment receipt is not showing up here, and I am unable to schedule the interview. If I click on schedule the appointment, what I'm seeing here, it says group member names. Technically there are no groups, so it should not show that, and it shows the calendar and the counselor post, and it is not showing anything here, and date also it is not showing anything, and I'm seeing a SGA 15 error. So we need to contact the customer care service, and we need to ask why we are seeing in this particular credentials, why the fees is not transferred from old CGI portal to the new portal. And let's see the different error where the fees has been transferred, and what is the error we are seeing. Let's log into the different user. Now when we check here, we can see close application and start new application and information correction. That's all. This person already paid the fees, and visa information is a Hyderabad. That's what it's showing here. But this person is unable to reschedule, so he don't see. When we saw initially, we saw almost 6-7 options towards the left side, rescheduling and all other information. Here we don't see any reschedule options or any manage profile options, nothing. So that means here also there is a problem, so we are unable to reschedule in this portal. Already this particular he by she already scheduled the interview, but still this person is unable to try to reschedule the visa interview. Why, we don't have any idea. So this is also, I'm assuming the portal issue. So we need to call to the customer service, and we need to figure out why the data is not transferred fully from old CGI portal to the new portal. So there are as per my observation, when we check, there are few the data is not fully moving from old portal to the new portal, but 90% I see like most of the people are able to transfer the data successfully. But for some people, they're trying to face this issue. But don't get panic. Although if you are trying to see this issue, don't get panic. Just call to the customer care service and try to rectify that issue. It's very simple, and I'm hoping this video will be helpful for the people who are trying to schedule the visa interview, and who are trying to check their passport status for tracking passport status, and who wants to